Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. Well, today we're going to be looking at something very special. We're going to be looking at something called We.Fi. Now, this is a Deobank. And if you don't know what a Deobank it is, decentralized on-chain bank. It is an amazing project. It's got its own debit card attached to it. And one of the people behind it is a legend in the space. So without further ado, let's get straight into today's video on We.Fi. So here we are, guys. This is We.Fi. This is crypto banking for a crypto world. Now, I want to show you the website. I'm going to go through it very briefly, but primarily I want to focus on the app and the card today. But let's give you a quick overview of this. So yeah, this is the website. Neobank was just the beginning. We.Fi is the evolution, a decentralized crypto bank with global payments, yield, ATM withdrawals, and non-custodial accounts. Everything you would expect from a modern bank, but obviously built for Web 3. It's a beautiful site. Oh, I want to show you something here now. So this is what really grabbed my attention here. I'm going to show you a very quick snippet of this video.
Hello, my name is Reeve Collins. I created Tether, the world's first stablecoin. It's amazing to see how stablecoins have become the foundation of the cryptocurrency ecosystem. Now I'm building We.Fi, a bank reimagined with community at its core. Powered by blockchain, We.Fi operates at a fraction of traditional banking costs.
So once I seen that, I was hooked instantly. Yeah, the founder of Tether is behind this. So instantly that gives you a huge amount of confidence in that this project is going to follow through. And yeah, look, there is no reason why we can't have decentralized banking. And it's amazing to me that we haven't already got there. But We.Fi is well on its way. I could spend all day talking about the concept of decentralized banking. But yeah, I don't want to get caught up on that. What I want to show you about this project is the back end and the card. The ATM card, the debit card is critical. And if you've been watching this channel, you'll know that debit cards are one of the things that we look at often. So let's go over here to card. So currently you can get the virtual card, which obviously then you can start using straight away. There will be a plastic card and there will be a metal card. Now, I do have a couple of metal cards. Somebody said to me once when I utilized it, why did I need to be so vain? Well, yeah, I mean, that's one way of looking at it, but I think they're class. And let's go to get your card. So this is the back end of the platform. You need to sign up. You do need to complete your KYC. And over here, you'll have the native token section. So this is WFI. There is another element to this. You can earn the native token by mining. You will need ITO for that. I did purchase some a while back. As you can see, I've been mining, and I have 82 WFI currently as rewards, which is equating to about 35 bucks. It's another element to this project that you should look at, but today I want to focus primarily on the card. There's two ways to utilize this. You can do it in the web browser, or you can do it in the Telegram app. So I'm going to use the Telegram app, and it'll take you into your accounts. As you can see, we have 49.50 on this. I deposited some USDT earlier, and I want to show you the card section here. So I haven't actually unlocked my card yet because I wanted to showcase you this on the video. I did do the KYC. That's all completed. So we're going to now order our virtual card. It costs you 10 USDT, which is absolutely nothing. That doesn't apply to us. How are we going to pay for it? We're going to use our USDT wallet. There's a 3 USDT monthly fee. That's fine. Totally worth it. We can utilize our crypto. Successfully completed. As you can see, now we have our virtual debit card. So as you can see, it is Visa Platinum. The 10 bucks has been removed from our account, and we now have our Visa debit card. Simple as that. It is such a quick process. Yes, that's your card, and over here you got your energy. This was what I was talking to you earlier about, where you can mine WFI, and as you can see, I have 625 ITO units worth, $250. And the ITO strategy can get you up to 280%. So guys, that's the app, right? And that's the card, and that's how you set up the card. Right, I want to show you something here. This is crazy. This is the price. Current price is just over 43.5 cents. And just looking at the charts, you can see pretty stable. But here is the kicker. The market cap is only 14 million. I mean, sometimes people go on about 10x, 100x. This thing can easily do 1,000x. Now, I don't like to say that kind of stuff, but man, $14 million market cap for a project like this, and with such a team behind it, and this is guaranteed success, surely. The idea is amazing. The utility is amazing. People behind it are tried and tested in this space. I mean, I don't know. I don't understand why the market cap is so low. But it's opportunity, isn't it? Total supply is going to be 1 billion WFI. It is available on BingX, Bitmerit, and PancakeSwap. And I suppose maybe that's why it needs to be on more exchanges before it starts to shoot up. But this thing is a rocket ready to go. So guys, that is a quick look at WeFi Deobank. You're going to be hearing a lot about these because we're going to be talking about them a lot over the coming months. So what makes this special? Well, the decentralization. 100% on-chain, transparent, borderless, non-custodial. You can spend your crypto with the card. There's no conversion fees. You don't have to go in and convert your crypto to fiat and then utilize the card. I'm not going to mention some companies, but that's what they do. You can spend directly from your crypto balance. It is amazing. Another amazing part of this project is the app. It's where everything happens. The mining, the loyalty, the spending. You got your card in there. Everything is on the app. You can access it via the web browser or on Telegram. I actually think the Telegram app looks far better. It looks amazing. Super, super easy to use. And you have to add a bonus if you want more WFI token, the native token. You can go and mine it. Don't forget, you can also track your crypto portfolio on that. So, yeah, the app is amazing. It is super, super user friendly. I love this project. You know, we get a lot of different projects that come across the desk, and yeah, most of them they're okay. They don't do anything special. They're not trying to reinvent stuff. This project is amazing insofar as it is exactly what I expected and hoped crypto would be all about. Fully decentralized banking. And I cannot wait to see what they are going to bring over the coming months and years. The fact that Reeve Collins is behind this gives me 100% confidence on the success of this project. I think it is a no-brainer, and now is the time to be picking up those tokens. So that about does it for today's video, guys. Have you utilized this product? If you haven't, you should be using it. If you have, let me know in the comments box below what you think of it. Don't forget to like today's video if you liked it. If you didn't, fuck it, go ahead and hit the dislike button. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you again soon.